Hello babies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazing as always, and if you are new here, hello. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video and hit the bell. So today we're going to be doing hair sponsored by Unice Hair, so thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it, and we're going to get right into it, you guys. If you're feeling this hair, this look, these earrings, please stay tuned and I'll see you on the other side of the intro. We're doing Unice hair today. Super excited. Let's see what we get inside. This is how the box is looking. We got a bag of treats, you guys. So let's see what's included with the purchase. You get a comb. You get 2 wig caps. Let's see. A pair of earrings. Okay. Now let's see. We get lashes, and there's some good ones. Look at that. These could actually be rocked out. I might actually have to put these on. These are nice. So now let's get into the hair and see what that's giving us, okay? Okay, you guys, so this is the hair. It is 20-inch body wave. This is a T-part wig, meaning that there is a perimeter of lace and a middle part, okay? And the color and all the specs will be down below in the description box. So let's get into it. As you can see, you get your 2 combs, a comb in the back, your adjustable straps. It has a little bit of lace in the back if you choose to lay it down, and the perimeter. As you can see, you just get about 1/2 inch of hair in a 6-inch part, okay? So this is feeling really good already. These knots are pretty small, so you could get away with not bleaching them, but I think I'm going to bleach the knots and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so now it's time to cut off the lace. Some people may know I like to cut off my lace before I put my wig on. So let's get started.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less.
Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to flat iron it out. I'm going to be using this Fructis oil. It's a Moroccan oil. I really love it. It's very lightweight, but it gives the hair a nice sheen. So I'm just going to put that all throughout my head. And we're going to flat iron this hair out. You guys, I just want to talk to y'all for a minute. Like, this hair, I'm not going to speak on the hair yet, but what I will speak on is this cap. The cap feels so good, y'all. I'm talking, it is fitting my entire head like it's supposed to. Like, usually these T-part wigs can be very tight, but not this one. This one feels good, y'all. So we are off to an amazing start. Hey. So now I'm just gonna take my beloved Remington flat iron on 400, and I'm going to go through it real quick and straighten it out, okay?
I do. Say you're a good guy.
straighten out, very flowy, lightweight. It's looking really good, y'all. But I'm going to curl it. I'm going to start this section off and get it done. I will be using this is the Conair Instant Heat, and it's really affordable. It's like $10 at Walmart. So yes, I'm going to turn that all the way to high, and we're going to get started. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. I am loving this hair. I'm very impressed. For this to be a T-part wig, it is very high quality and very premium. I've been trying on a lot lately that were just super duper tight. This one just feels like a regular wig. It fits perfectly. I mean, wow. The hair feels like silk, you guys. I love the color. It's beginner friendly. I mean, I bleached the knots, but you could get away without bleaching the knots. And I just really put it on and swooped down some baby hair. Like, considering that there is not a lot of space between the edge of the lace and the tracks, I mean, I think I got some good little swoopty dupes up out of the deal. You know what I mean? And I put on the earrings. What? They actually look super duper cute with this hair, I must say. And the lashes, they came through with the lashes. I mean, these are not your mama's lashes. These are, you can really get somewhere out of those, okay? So, I think it's perfect for summer too. It's giving you a little something something with the streaks. Oh yeah, I love it. So again, thank you Unice for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, share this video, and until next time, stay sweet.